Jose, highest winds 90 miles an hour, and it's going to make a pretty close pass to southeastern Mass, the Cape, Nantucket. So you might wonder, why is there not a hurricane watch in effect? Well, the reason has to do, it's a slow-moving storm. And right now, it's near warm water temperatures along the Gulf Stream. But as it gets closer to us, look at the drop-off in the ocean water temperature. That will allow just enough weakening so that it should be a strong tropical storm, but not a hurricane. In other words, this isn't going to be an Irma or a Harvey for us. But having said that, tropical storm conditions can still pose problems indeed. And right now we have tropical storm watches in effect all along the coastline, at least the south coast of New England, as you can see, including the Cape and the islands. It's basically from Hingham southward along the shoreline. There you see that. Also, we've got a high surf advisory in effect right on through tomorrow night, because way out ahead of the storm, big swells creating rip currents and very rough surf. So be aware of that for tomorrow. So Jose itself right now is 90-mile-per-hour storm. But notice out in time, ever so slowly, the winds do diminish. And by the time it makes its closest pass to us, it should be as a strong tropical storm. And obviously, the exact track will be important. If it passes a little farther south, the effects will be slightly less. But it's a large enough circulation that it's going to turn windy on the coast, especially the Cape, with some heavy rain, and some beach erosion and coastal flooding is something to consider as well. Now, here are the peak wind gusts when we get to the area of around 2 in the morning Wednesday. Notice how they're approaching, have reached tropical storm force on the islands. Then they come up across the south coast and the Cape, and close to that even in the Boston area. So with everything foliated, even gusts of 40 or a little more could bring down some limbs, twigs, things like that, even up here. So scattered power outages, especially for the south coast, southeastern Mass, Cape and the islands, certainly a possibility, with some downed tree limbs or trees. Coastal flooding is also a consideration. Now here's the storm as it's projected to spin northward, and the bands of rain, the lead bands, could come in as early as Tuesday, and then more heavier rain Tuesday night and Wednesday with the storm itself. How much rain could fall? One of our computer models projecting for eastern and southeastern Massachusetts could be anywhere from 3 to 5 or 6 inches of rain. We've been dry recently, but that certainly would cause some localized freshwater flooding in terms of streets and poor drainage areas. And these are the 3 high tides. A lot of beach erosion with this and some coastal flooding a possibility. We're going to follow these 3 high tides very, very carefully. And then there's Maria, and Maria is going to be passing close to Puerto Rico in a couple of days, might even be a major hurricane at that time. We're watching fog banks close to the shoreline tonight, so the temperatures will be in the 60s, but there will be low clouds and fog. Then they may burn off a little bit during tomorrow afternoon. Here are your high temperatures for tomorrow, a little bit cooler than today. Beach and boating for tomorrow, we want you to be aware of the very, very high risk of rip currents, of course, due to the big swells running way out ahead of Jose, and also the fog patches that'll be around, especially during the morning hours. All right, let's check it out. Potential impact days, Tuesday and Wednesday. The height of the storm for us likely to be Tuesday night and Wednesday. And by the way, a wild card for smaller effects, but some breezes and some wet weather could linger all the way into Thursday. As it weakens, it may be very slow to move away from our area. We'll stay on top of it, of course, for you. I'm meteorologist Harvey Leonard.